then if I click on these drop downs, what is it? 11 planning areas found. Choose one. That means, see, your answer is in this line. So we
Right.
have total 11 planning area. See, all
And
ZPUC,
if we leave it default, what is it that default planning area?
default means nothing. You have to put. You have to put.
Okay.
Okay, you have to put. So I am putting ZPUC. You understand all these planning areas showing over here. What do we have
Mhm.
here? What do we
Okay,
have
got it.
here? So as per your requirement, you have to choose. So here I am choosing ZPUC. I am clicking OK. Already it will be there. Then I am clicking
Mhm.
OK again. Then in here drop down, we have three already. But now I am want to view using ZPUC planning area. I have to log in. So here this is the another way you can find what is the how can I check, that is the about, then help.
Mhm.
Don't click over there. You will find,
Okay.
see, ZPUC is the planning area. The first one is the planning area. My name is connection name is test ZPUC. My name is this, and I am using 023/05 updated Excel UI. Got it?
Yeah. Okay, got it.
So that is how you can suppose you are doing 2 to 3 hours in your project. Suppose after the break you come back and you can find that what planning area you are using. So nothing, you don't want to hurry. So you just put over here. Don't click on help. Just make your cursor stay over here. Then
Mhm.
help button will show you that you are in which planning area. So
Yeah.
done. So this is called the ribbon and this is the web Excel UI. So planning area and time profile, I think we have done. So now I am
Mhm.
going back to master data. So what is master data? Master data, generally we have four types of master data. One is called simple, another is called compound, and another is called reference, and last one is external. So external we will discuss later if we have time. So we will more focus on simple, compound, and reference master data. So what is simple master data? Simple master data is nothing but have only one primary key. So I will go back to what is primary key. What is compound master data? Compound master data meanings you can say attaching two simple master data. So location is the simple master data. Product is the simple master data. So if I tell you the what is the location product, this should be a compound master data. Okay, got it. So I'm
Okay.
going back to home first, model configuration. So here we can see our all these master data. Okay, so here the type is the simple, that means this is one. So suppose I am coming back to location, very simple master data. You know that's location, maybe
So
ZPP
these
is
are
my.
all standard master data given by SAP.
Yeah, maximum master data is provided by SAP.
Okay.
You also can create Z master data. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
but here we will use the, if you want to create your Z master data actually, so you have to come back to your SAP product team and you have to get a permission. So better
Okay.
whatever they provided with us, that's enough actually for all projects.
Mm-hmm.
Just I don't know why it is not coming. Suppose this is the locations. Okay, this is the location, which is this is the simple master data. Why this is simple master data? Because we have one primary key. What is the primary key? This is now your second question. So in one master data, listen carefully. If you have any question, you can ask me. This is very interesting thing. So we have
Mm-hmm.
all those things in one master data called locations. In your master data, we have all those things. This is called location ID, geolatitude, geolongitude, location view page, location description, okay, location region, all those things in one master data. These all those things is called the attribute. Got it? Attribute is nothing but is attached to the master data. So location is
Right.
the
Right.
our main master data, but these all are called the attribute. Now what is the primary key? So in computer science we read this the primary key concept. This is the unique actually. This is the unique. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe we have two locations. Okay, so you stay in suppose in India, Hyderabad. Okay, so in Hyderabad two location geo latitude may be same, but location ID should be unique. Okay,
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Understood. Yeah.
so that is why you have to mark what is your primary key. By that it will be differentiate to other master data. So location ID
Mm-hmm.
for all should be the different. Okay. Otherwise it will be mismatching. So make sure that you once you create the location master data, so you have to create the primary key. By that we can differentiate the different master data. So if I go to this one, so in Excel, how can you see this master data? You have to create, you go to master data workbook, you have to create. Now you have to write the location, right? I'm just
Mhm.
clicking on edit. I'm just clicking on OK. Can you please tell me why this is in yellow?
That is key, right?
Yes, please see, this is the star button over there.
It's a
Now,
mandatory.
no
It's
one,
required
so
field.
that means this is the primary and this is the different. Okay,
Mhm.
this is the different. No one is the same. But see, for the geo latitude, for the 1000 location, geo latitude is 0, 1001 location, 0 latitude maybe 0. But
Yeah.
the different is the ID, and all are
Hmm.
these attributes. Okay, all are these attributes, which you can see over here. Got my point?
Yeah.
So in by that we can see the master data and create master data. Basically, for the live project, your master data, these all these data will be coming from S4 HANA side via CPIDS. No need to create manually. So there is another way to create this master data using the data integration job over the IBP, but no need to do that. But every live projects, they have a connection with the S4 HANA using the CPIDs, all your data will be come. But you
Hmm.
have to mention all those things, the location ID, latitude, whatever. So I can, you can go to edit and you can see the customer master data. Just click on over here and you can write customer. Okay, so again you can edit, you can add. So you want to see what the product in your project. That's all the simple master data.
So adding means adding different master data
To view, nothing else.
to view. Okay. Hmm.
Adding means, see, in a one sheet, what is the good point of IBP? They see one sheet, we can see what is the location, what is the customer, what is the product in a single sheet.
Okay, got it. Hmm.
Okay, and so this is the primary key. That is why it is in yellow, and as well as this is in star over this name. And these all are
Mhm.
these attribute. This is product ID is also is attribute. It is not the except attribute. It is also attribute, but this is the primary attribute.
Right.
That means this is the unique for all other products. Okay. So now this is the simple master data. Now I
Okay.
am again edit. I'm just plus location product. Now can you tell me why this is two?
Because two keys, right? Two keys in
Because this
this
is the
master
compound
data.
master data. That is why two keys. So I'm
Right.
attaching two master data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just marrying two master data in a single way. That is why this is called compound master. That is why we have two primary key. So if I come back to over here and see, this is type is already compound. Okay. This is
Mm-hmm.
location product.
And when you define a new Z custom master data type, does it give option to mark it as simple or compound, or depending upon the keys, it will automatically
No,
put
this is
it there?
depending upon you. This is depending upon you. So for the
Okay.
simple master data, we have only one primary key. If you want to do any compound master data, you have to use the two primary key at least. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. No, my question is like if I say two attributes as key, does it automatically make it as compound, or do you
No,
have
no,
to
no,
go
no.
there?
You have to do this.
You have to select
Okay.
it? Okay.
So if you want to
Oh,
create your
okay, okay.
master data,
Got
you
it,
have
got it. These
suppose,
are all the available. Okay, okay. Understood now.
okay.
Yeah.
So I'm
Hmm.
just clicking over here. Simple. So you have to put your name, master data name, ID, name, descriptions as per your wish. Now you have to add. Okay. So you have to add these one, all these attribute. Once you add it, okay. Suppose I'm adding these three. Now you have to select what is the key. Suppose I want to see this ABC ID should be our key. Then I have to click over
Hmm.
there and then save it. I'm not saving right now. I just
Hmm.
want to see you that how can I create. Okay, this is all these
Okay.
implementation step. You have to understand all these things.
Okay, got it.
Got my point?
Yeah.
So this is actually the thing. So this is called the compound master data. So what is the compound master data? Compound master data is nothing but we are marrying two simple master data, that is called the compound master data, and which has at least two primary key. And for the simple master data we have only one primary key. And the what is the primary key? Primary key is nothing but this is a unique key. By that we can differentiate from the others. So
Mhm.
in attribute, in a master data we can have multiple attributes, but in all attributes we have to select one primary key over there. For the simple master
Yeah.
data, one primary key. Compound master data, at least two primary key in attribute. Excel UI, we can see it in this way. You have to go the master data over here. You have to edit or not edit first. Once you on face screen, you have to create it. After that you have to write it and okay it. After that this location, customer, product will be come over here. So in manage master data there is another app. So here, so for your implementations you have to create over this one. Okay, this
Yeah. Okay.
apps master data types called master data. This is app name. Okay,